So this is a tutorial on how to mine or farm the Kolo tokens. Kolo is a platform that is sponsored and powered by Mastercard. The Mastercard that normally gives you debit cards. So Mastercard is the one backing this project. So what they're building is more like a platform where you can buy things with crypto using your credit or debit card. So as you can see, they said you can buy, sell, swap, and pay with your crypto with a variety of features designed for everyday use of digital assets. So they are building something massive, right? So this tutorial is basically to teach you how to go about mining this token airdrop, right? So all you need to do is once you click on the link, you come to start. I know you must have already gone past all of this stage. You click on open Kolo. So you can call it Kolo, whatever it is. Just that Kolo means something different in Nigeria. You're not going to go into that. All right. So when you come here, the simple way to mine this token is to click on start. Right. When you click on start, when you hold this, it starts spinning. So you hold to farm. As you can see, so I'm going to hold it. So the thing is, you don't have to let it spin all the way through. Right. You're going to be watching this level here. It's going to go to X5, and then you trust your guts to not let it expire while you're holding it. So because when you hold it, the time is going to be reading, and when it expires in your hands, you're going to lose all of that token. And then before we get into that, I also want you to know that if you started this airdrop, quickly go and verify your account. Your profile on this airdrop page. You need to verify your profile to be able to get some certain benefits and all of that. But before we get there, before we get to the verification, let's go through how to farm it first. So you hold here, right? Yeah, you let it spin all the way through. As you can see, we're at X4. Yeah, so we just went into X5, and you can see it's already warning you that you're in the danger zone, that it's about to expire and all of that. So what I do is I allow it to get to 2000 at least, right? So you could trust your guts to go beyond 2000, but I let it go here, and then that's how much you have mined. Now you can see the mining tickets I have is remaining 4. It was 5 before. Now I have just 4 left. So the thing is, the more people you invite, the more opportunities you get to get more of these tickets to mine it with. So like I said, if you hold it beyond time, it's going to expire on your hand. So let's try one. Let's waste one now. Yeah, kind of. Let's just waste one. You can see what's happening. It's reading and all of that. So we're at X2 at the moment. X3. X4. X5. So this is the danger zone. So I'm going to hold it until it expires, just to show you what it looks like when you hold it, and when it expires, they're not going to gift you the token that you are supposed to get from it. And this is not the only way to gain to farm this airdrop, but this is just one of the simple ways. Now we're at 3000. That's crazy. It should expire anytime from now, and then whenever it expires, you lose everything you've gotten from it. It said release now. We're not letting go, bro. This thing's supposed to have expired by now. Okay, and that's it. Overheated. Now I was supposed to gain over 5000 tokens, and I lost everything because I held it beyond the reasonable time to hold it for. So that's how you lose your tokens. There have been some that that we played, and it got to 2009 something, and it expired. So sometimes you can't really predict where it's going to expire, right? Then another way to gain this token is by answering these questions. So the question here is mate, goldfish have a memory span of several months, right? I don't know what the answer is, but let me just say yes. Okay, I got that correct. You can see. Then they said the Grand Canyon in Arizona is in Arizona, right? Yeah, I got it. They said do trees absorb carbon dioxide? Yes, I got it also. Can humor reduce pain perception? No. Oh, I got that wrong. Oh my goodness. Is Formula One racing primarily associated with motorcycles? Yes. No, I got it wrong. Were hula hoops popularized in the 1960s? I don't know. I'm just going to guess. I got that right also. Okay, so the last question is naan a traditional flat bread from India? Let me say yes, maybe wrong. Okay, I got it. You see, I was able to gain 2,500 tokens from answering those questions. So this is just another way to gain the tokens. So I'm just going to claim. So in the next 3 hours, I'll be able to try other questions. So I'm just trying to show you different ways you can gain, you can mine this airdrop. The next one is the task. You can come to this task section and carry out different tasks and quests. So by doing all of this, you're going to mine it. So I'm advising you, please ensure you're mining this airdrop. It is crazy. Ensure you're mining it. So the first thing I expect you to do in the task section is to verify your email address. When you verify, they're going to give you 2,000 tokens, 2,500 tokens. So you just put in your email, they'll send you a code, you verify the code, and that's it. And then to get your account up and going, you can click on profile. Okay, that's not it. Anyway, you can get a crypto debit card, credit card here, or debit card, whichever one. So you need to join the wait list, and I think before you be able to do this, you have to earn up to 10,000 tokens first. So you're going to use your 10,000 tokens to apply to join the wait list, and some countries might be restricted. So if your country is restricted, you can change it to, it has an option for you to change it to a different country. You understand? So when you change it, you can get a pass from there. Like people from Nigeria could change to a country that is accepted. I don't know which other countries are restricted as well. So for now, right? So that's that. And I'm advising you, please ensure you are mining this airdrop. They said they are launching in September 2024. We are still in September. I don't know if it's launching the card or they're launching the token, but just do what you can and have a hold of this airdrop. If you have questions to ask, please do well to get your questions across to our Telegram channel, and someone will be there to respond. Right? Trust you got value. Do share and invite people so you can get more tickets to play.